Oh, we've been stranded in this island, I mean, forest for 5 days. Yeah, I wonder how that happened. Francesco, you literally kept bothering the pilot in the cockpit. The cockpit. That's what happened. Okay. I mean, there's nothing to eat. So what should we do? Man, I thought I was in bed with my blanket and my pillow. I really miss my pillow.
I'm hungry.
Hey, Ramon. Yeah, dude. Can you, get a coconut from that tree over there? That's pretty, high tree. I don't think I could climb all the way up. Just do it. Okay. Okay, I think I can do it. Okay. Okay. Getting up to the top. Okay, I got it. I got the coconut. Whoa. 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 Oh. Huh? What was that? Oh, there's a lion. Ow. Ow, stop scratching me. Ow, 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 ow. A few minutes later. Are you kidding me, Ramon? You literally just got us attacked by a lion. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know that this island contains lions.
What happened to the coconut?
Oh, the tiger ate it.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry. Hey, how about we find another way to survive? I see some crabs on the shore. Also, let's go grab them. Okay, guys, I brought back some crabs. Alright, let's dig in. Francesco, you look weird. Oh, wait. What about do you remember that anime from where a guy ate some crabs and he started to hallucinate? I think so. And that referred to this show? Louis, how could you do this to me? Well, I'm sorry, I didn't remember. Well, look, now I look ridiculous. Aha, you just committed something about your wrongdoings. Ramon, just shut up.
Oh, great. Now it's raining. Great. It's raining. Just what I want.
Oh, this, shelter over there, guys. Let's just go over there. Hey, guys, wait for me. Ow! What the heck, Lightning? I'm sorry, Ramon, but your behavior right now has been absolutely atrocious. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Is this still about the tiger lion attack? I'm sorry, okay? I didn't know that thing was living here. I'm still not letting you in. Finn, will you let me in? Nope. Sue? Cruz? Please, guys. I just want to be let in. So please, let me in already. No, Ramon, and that's my final answer. Come on, guys. Can't believe Lightning let me stay out here in the rain. What could I do? Ooh, I know. Come on.
Take out the look like that. Okay.
Meanwhile, oh, why does my bed taste like? Wait, where are we? Oh, I found a way to get back to our home. You have? Yep.
It's a miracle.
Well, I wouldn't say it's a miracle, Cruz. Well, I just found this boat on shore and we don't have any sails or paddles.
What?
It's okay. We're just gonna follow the directions the waves moves us. Okay, so that's gonna turn left and left and another left. Okay, almost there. Ramon! What are you doing? We're just going around in circles. Oh, Francesco, calm down. Oh, I'm hungry. I want to eat you. Ugh. Ow. Ramon, this is not how you've been tolerated. Well, I'm sorry, Lightning, but you know what? You're walking the plank. What? No, no, no! Ah! Francesco, Ramon, are you alright? Yeah. I just had the dream where Finn was taking control of the boat and we crashed. Oh, hi, guys. The end.